Greetings from Singapore Expo. There's a Mummy's Market Fair. You heard it right? So we're going to check it out today. Let's go. Okay, I'm officially inside this Mummy's Fair. Right here we have some kind of breast pump. Lots of baby items. Wow, electric breast pump wearable. This one 350 onwards. I'm not sure, man. Let's go. Oh, there's row C and D. Thomson Medical Center. What is this? It is collection, some kind of stuff here. Oh, there's food here. Songhe mixed rice. We'll walk straight first, then we'll come back to the side. Baby stuff. Kindness creaming. Homey. Let's take a look at Homey. Wow, this one. Baby cot, 199. And there's a pillow as well. Baby pillow. Oh no, there's a blanket also, ice cooling blanket. It looks pretty cool. Look at this, man. Look at the hair on it. It's so cute. So 299 for this 6 meter plus. 6 month plus, okay. I'm not on that. 6 month plus. It's discounted about 50%. Family U. Newborn set. BZU. Family care from Singapore. So this is like a baby wash set. Baby calming rub. Baby cotton buds. You can try baby napping cream. There's even a sunscreen. SPF 30. I think it's for baby, right? Their skin is more sensitive, so you cannot use like too many too harsh chemical stuff. So everything must be gentle. Be it the shampoo, the body wash, and maybe even toothpaste in the future. The right cord for the sweetest sleep for the babies. This is getting interesting, man. I've not seen this for years. Ever since I'm not a baby. So it's about the price. There's a bundle 10 in 1, 399. But I don't think it costs so much if you just buy the like mattress 79.99 and so on. The sleeping lab. Hey, actually quite good quality one. This mattress. It's better than what I have at home. So it's comfortable baby cot. Goes up with the kid up to 6 years old. So you can use it like basically for 6 years, man. So that can be used as a study desk. The stuff just sit, and she's going to adjust. Oh, dual side foam design. It's really like solid. Premium 100% natural latex. Removable cover. Natural latex mattress with MT and VC. MTVC, this micro tensile and vinyl queen fabrics, ultra fine, ultra soft. Wow, the kids shirts here and the pajamas from 11.90 to 9.90. Buy 3 get 1 free, man. Oh, there's a size 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 18 to 24. I think that's a month. Once again, it's not actually the size according to adults. 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and so on. There's so many things to see here, man. I'm pretty amazed. There's even bags. Look at that, the stroller. And this is a baby bottle, anti-colic. Jamu postnatal massage. You know, because like after give birth, right, the women's like the body will change. They want to be get back to slimmer. They use the postnatal massage as one of the techniques. And yeah, you can even get a free assessment of your like tummy. Here the baby wipe also cheap for $5. Baby head to toe wash. What's this? Swaddle cloth. Oh, actually to wet the baby. Like here. It's insane, man. I mean, it is so cute, basically. Hands-free pumping bra. But there are more codes here. $88 off all necessary furnitures. Oh, I think some of the moms are going to be moms soon. I mean, they are pregnant and they come here to shop in advance. This spray, the coat withdrawal, $250. Ika dresser. Like here, so many strollers. So the price is $299 to $399. Wow, this fair is even bigger than the what do you call it? The Malaysia Travel Fair I just visited. It's all around this area. It's just another hall. Basically, the Singapore Expo, they organize lots of like events every week, So sometimes it can be the food event, sometimes it can be travel fair, and sometimes like today it's a baby fair. $20. Baby B John. What is this? Oh, dishwashing liquid, but it's plant-based. 2 for $8.90. You know, the moms like the baby wipes. I mean wet wipes. Actually, I'm not a mom, I'm not a female, but I also like the wet wipes because it can like clean your stuff more efficiently and much faster without using a cloth. And right here, there's some kind of like promotion. It's a milk powder. Free $30 NTUC voucher with like $200 purchase of Pro products. So it's just like 10%. Two done. They're much more. Mommy hug. You can spend some time with your family. Freeze cup analysis. Okay. Confinement nanny that help you to take care of the baby. Baby sitting. Why mom choose auntie? This one is a clothes. Jelly bamboo sleep suit, soft and comfy, made of premium bamboo. 0 to 3 months. So there's a guide here. So newborn is NB, 3M is 3 months, 18 months is 18N. So the bigger the size, the longer the length. Oh man, 3 to 12 to 18 months. There's a nursing room as well. Probiotic. with vitamins for adults and children above 1 year old. Oh, postnatal massage.
50 pieces for 4.
I've seen lots of babies and kids around here. Baby by cheetah. It's some kind of snake, right? Freeze-dried apricot and sweet corn. Yeah, it's okay. Thanks. Bao bao. This is baby porridge, baby congee. Different flavors. This is pork, then chicken. Oh, it's so heavy. Shapey. And I'm not sure, man. This one is what kind of stuff? Eddie Mini. Star Bites. This one is for girl, right? But I think this one from boys also can. I mean, baby doesn't really matter, you know. The baby boy wear the pink one, it's okay. And they're having kind of $10 discount for massage. So what's next? There's some baby food here. Hey, they're selling some cookies right here. Seriously. Baby nursery and toys. Photo studio. That's nice, huh? 全家福。I smell food, man. I smell cookies. I smell a lot of stuff. Oh man, there's even a car here. So what's up? Free car valuation powered by Carousel. You know, there's a car exhibition at Suntex about the Mercedes. So this price is 169,999. But I think it includes the COE. Without COE is maybe like less expensive. There's a white one as well. Also, they promote and sell like family affair, right? Event. If you go for a family event, you need a big car. More confinement, nanny. They consider like domestic helper because like it help you their better understanding of the baby's needs. But then the women, I mean, after they give birth, actually they can learn. It takes some time only. The first time is more difficult. Second time, third time is easier. I'm gonna try some of their meal here and this lohan kueh. This soup, it tastes quite nice. There's some kind of milk inside. And then the rice, right, is like the brown rice is healthy, you know. No people who like want to have some weight loss and don't want to gain weight, eat this brown rice. There's cauliflower here and then some kind of chicken, and this one is a mushroom. Sorry, it's not mushroom, but it's some kind of soft pastry. I think it's nice also. No such thing as a perfect parent, just be a real one. Wow, motherhood is the greatest and harder journey. There's one more here. Taking care of myself is as important as taking care of our baby. So thanks everyone for watching this simple video on the Mummy's Fair. It's the biggest in Southeast Asia. Hope you guys enjoy and remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the video and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone and bye bye.